Hi everyone and welcome to today's podcast for National Inclusion Week 2020. My name's Jarvis Connolly. I'm a graduate engineer from Western Rail, part of Balfour Beatty Rail. And today we're with Leo Connolly, who's from UKCS in London. We're going to be talking about the LGBT plus and Allies Affinity network. The theme for this year's National Inclusion Week is Each One Reach One, which focuses on bringing people and organisations together to connect and inspire each other to make inclusion an everyday reality. So, Leo, please could you introduce who you are and your role in Balfour Beatty?
Hi, yes. My name is Leo Connolly. I'm working on the Eastwick and Sweetwater project as an Apprentice Sustainability Coordinator.
Great, thank you. As we enter National Inclusion Week, are you willing to offer any insight into your experiences around inclusion in our industry, either personally or as a member of your Affinity network?
Sure. So I've always considered myself quite lucky that I've never needed to remember, so to speak, that I'm part of the Affinity networks. The inclusion I've seen in offices and on site has always been matter of fact. I've not seen any discrimination at all. I think that speaks very highly of the company for sure.
Okay, so how long have you been working in the industry?
So I started last September. This has been my first year out of 5 as an apprentice.
Great, and is that more of an office-based role or a site-based role?
Definitely mixed. While I do a lot in the office, I still make sure to go out on site where possible. Yeah, it's definitely something that requires regular visits to site in order to understand the people on site and the work being done.
Oh, thanks, Leo. What are some of the best practices you've seen or experienced with inclusion at Balfour Beatty? And what do you think might be improved as well?
So in terms of best practice, there's the obvious things like National Inclusion Week, what we're doing now, as well as the efforts that go towards things like Pride and Transgender Awareness Month. And the things I've seen around that, there's always been lunch and learns and educational pieces that get done by different members of the Affinity network. There was one recently on the HS2 project as well with one of our chairs, Amanda McKay. In terms of improvements, it's quite a positive thing. I honestly can't think of any. The inclusivity within Balfour Beatty has always been apparent in the everyday workings and the positive nonchalance that comes from being part of the LGBT plus community within this company.
Great, that's a great answer. Thanks, Leo.
Thank you.